Samsung has finally revealed the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7, their most recent foldable smartphones. While both provide significant upgrades, it is the Galaxy Z Fold 7 that is attracting the most attention. Samsung's Fold 7 is now the smallest and lightest book-style foldable ever, folding down to 8.9mm and weighing only 215 grams, making it lighter than the Galaxy S25 Ultra. However, in order to make the device slimmer and lighter, Samsung has deleted support for the S Pen. This move appears to be a significant setback for long-term S Pen users. The S Pen converted the Fold into a genuine productivity machine, ideal for note-taking, drawing, and multitasking on its large inner screen. However, Samsung's head of smartphone product planning, Min-Soo Kang, acknowledged that eliminating the stylus was a necessary trade-off to achieve the Fold 7's compact design. He did provide optimism, saying that the S Pen is not dead and would most likely return in a future model. Despite the lack of a pen, the Fold 7 features substantial improvements. Most notably, it now has the Galaxy S25 Ultra's strong 200MP primary camera sensor, as well as capabilities for 2x lossless crop zoom, a first for the Fold series. The cover screen has also been enhanced for improved usage, and the crease is now much less obvious, making the device feel more polished and premium than before. Early customers may take advantage of appealing deals from Samsung, including a $50 credit, up to $150 in free storage upgrades, and trade-in credits worth up to $1,000. Nonetheless, Samsung did not increase battery life. The Fold 7 has the same 4,400 mAh battery as last year, which may disappoint power users looking for additional endurance. The Fold 7 definitely marks a significant advancement in design and camera technology, but the absence of the S Pen detracts from its identity as a productivity-focused device. For many users, investing almost $2,000 on a foldable is only worthwhile if it can also serve as a tablet replacement. That argument seems less persuasive without stylus assistance. If Samsung reintroduces the S Pen with the Galaxy Z Fold 8, it may win back some of its disgruntled supporters. Until then, the Fold 7 is a wonderfully designed but slightly compromised stride forward in the foldable revolution. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.